Welcome to Finca Manchón de las Flores. 17,000 square meters with awesome views of Tegueste and La Laguna. Restaurant, tasca, and equine center make this place ideal spot for a rustic hotel. 5 minutes away from the North Airport. Follow me. Combining outdoor leisure activities like hiking, cycling, and horse riding in a natural park, emphasizing eco-friendly activities, local cuisine, and expert-led tours. This property has never been on the market, so if you would like to get a piece of Canary Island history, let's get in touch.